In today's fast-paced, increasingly digital business landscape, financial institutions and organizations are tasked with handling a staggering volume of transactional documents. From checks to invoices, managing paper-based documentation is a time-consuming, labor-intensive process, and it's an area where technology has made significant strides in recent years. As a key player in check scanning solutions, Canon has taken the lead with the introduction of the CR-120 check scanner, marking a notable upgrade from its predecessor, the CR-50. Let's explore the benefits of this robust device and see how it can streamline your check-related workflow. So what's the problem here? It's all about speed, reliability, and efficiency. With manual processing, checks can take hours, even days, to clear, resulting in costly delays and potential losses. Additionally, the CR-50, while reliable in its own right, was limited in terms of throughput speed. It's here that the CR-120 comes into its own, promising to deliver faster, more accurate results, and, ultimately, saving businesses like yours precious time. The very first thing that caught my attention was the CR-120's build quality. It's a sturdy device with a solid construction that exudes professional standards. While this unit won't win any awards for sleek design, it does have a user-friendly interface that puts all vital elements, power, feed, and output, within easy reach. You can't help but feel that Canon was aiming for simplicity, and it's largely succeeded. Let's now take a closer look at the CR-120's standout features. For starters, the device processes checks at an incredibly fast rate, 120 documents per minute, to be exact. That represents a major leap forward from the CR-50 and, more significantly, from manual processes. It's an attribute that will make a tangible difference to productivity, especially in environments where checks are a daily occurrence. Another essential feature is its robust and reliable construction. This unit has been built to withstand heavy usage, making it the perfect addition to high-traffic areas like financial institutions. You won't need to worry about maintenance or repair costs, either, as it's simple to operate and maintain. One key aspect you might be wondering about is scanning accuracy. How can you be certain that this device will deliver high-quality scans? The answer lies in its advanced image processing and automatic MICR, magnetic ink character recognition, feature. Both elements are geared towards capturing precise, clear images of checks, making it possible for financial institutions to extract the vital information they need. I also want to highlight the CR-120's versatility and its seamless integration with various software applications. Compatible with most popular check processing software, including popular systems from major financial institutions, it's a device designed for adaptability and compatibility. Now, I've been testing the CR-120 extensively, putting it through its paces in real-world scenarios. First, I put it to work with a high volume of checks. The results spoke for themselves. The CR-120 produced crisp, clear scans without fail, its robust engine handling even the most complex documents with ease. And at 120 DPM, you won't need to wait long for the finished results. However, what about the potential trade-offs? Is this device a compromise in terms of noise, or does it produce a satisfactory performance under load? To be honest, it all comes down to balancing priorities. While the CR-120 is certainly a robust scanner, it's by no means silent. The motor might be heard during operation, but it's nothing out of the ordinary for this class of device. So, it's a fair trade-off for the convenience and efficiency it brings to your check processing workflow. It's worth noting, too, that power supply issues might arise if you overload it. I was easily able to clear 200 checks in quick succession without encountering any issues, though I would advise that extreme testing is best avoided. It would be wise to monitor usage to ensure your device stays within safe usage parameters. Now, let's weigh up the pros and cons. While this unit is an impressive product in its own right, it's not without some notable drawbacks, not least of which is a relatively high price point. However, when you consider the overall value proposition presented by the CR-120, its efficiency and performance make a strong case for the investment. If you're already considering alternatives to the CR-50, or new solutions that'll handle increasing check volumes, then the Canon CR-120 check scanner is well worth serious consideration. Not only does it outperform its predecessor in key areas, but it also stands up well in comparisons with other market leaders. When stacked up against the likes of Epson, for example, Canon's offering provides a more comprehensive feature set at a similar price point. While others may match the CR-120's output speed and quality, few, if any, come close in terms of reliability, usability, and sheer performance. Ultimately, investing in a high-performance device like the CR-120 means embracing a more streamlined, efficient workflow. For businesses of all sizes, financial organizations, accounting companies, tax preparation services, banks, and credit unions, the time is now to upgrade to the Canon CR-120 check scanner and enjoy faster, seamless check processing. Get ready to transform your document handling and discover why this check scanner is already the go-to solution in the industry.